So this video explains how you can scrape product data from multiple listing pages in eBay. So the first step is to load the first listing page URL. And once the page is loaded, we can start the configuration. Now before we start, let's go through the settings which we are using. These are the default settings of the software. Make sure that you have the same settings in your system. I have not changed any. Page load timeout is 30. Ajax wait time is 5 seconds. I have not checked any of these options. Advanced minor option is 10 and 2. And in the browser tab, only enable JavaScript is ticked. We are not using any proxies in this. So make sure that you have the similar settings. So I start the configuration process and start selecting the data. Let's scroll down and select the next page link. No. Let's scroll down and you can select second page link or the next link. Either would do. Set as next page link. Scroll up. Click again on the name. Capture more content 2 times. Capture HTML. Apply RegEx so that we get the URL of the product details page. Capture HTML to get the URL as a field, and then repeat the process to actually follow the link with the same regex string. Apply, follow this link, and this would load the product details page. And from here, select most of the details using the capture following text method. Item number, item specifics, so let's stop the configuration and run it to check if it's working correctly. So it's getting the names followed by the URL. Now it's proceeding to get each of the product's details by following each of the links. Now before we proceed further mining, we will stop the configuration and let's edit the configuration by clicking the edit button here so that we can add additional URLs to the same configuration so that multiple listing pages will be extracted using the same configuration. So wait for the preview to appear. And now if I go to the configuration tab, I can click on the URLs button where I can paste the remaining URLs. Apply and stop the configuration and start mining again. So as before, the first listings product names are being extracted and displayed in the data table, followed by the URLs, and it will now proceed to select the product details. So as you can see, all the product details are being extracted, just like in the previous case where only a single URL was present in the configuration.